Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is the OnePlus 9. Just kidding, this is the OnePlus 6 and this is going to be a quick unboxing. So this year's tagline is the speed you need. Okay, so let's get to the contents of the box. Removing the top, you are presented with the phone. Now putting that to the side, you can see the 6 logo on the left. Now removing that box, you have the fast charger and USB Type-C cable, which is the same as last year. Also included is a TPU case, which is really appreciated before you buy a new case. And then you have the starter guide, the safety instructions and stickers, because why not? Okay, so I've skipped the setup process and we'll get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to notice is that notch. Now I know the fan base has been split 50-50 because of that notch, but to be honest, it ain't that bad. You don't really notice it. But having said that, there is a way to disable that part of the screen so it will blend in with the notch. So what you need to do is go into settings, scroll down to display and choose notch display, and as you can see here, hide the notch area. And I'll show you what that looks like. And as you can see, the screen has blended in with the notch, and here is a better view. And honestly, that doesn't look that bad, so at least you have that option. Okay, so let's just take a look at the side as it is slightly different. Now the volume rocker is on the left and you have the SIM tray tool on the top. On the opposite side, you have the power button and the alert slider. And at the back, you have the dual camera setup and the fingerprint reader. And this year, they've decided to copy the Samsung Galaxy S9. Okay, so I'm going to put the TPU case on. And it is a very good fit. It's not very bulky. And it is quite minimal. I do really like that. So as you can see, the cutout on the back, and obviously when you slide your finger down, there is an indent here so you can easily find the fingerprint reader. So that does it for this quick unboxing. Make sure you are subscribed to see the other videos coming up, such as camera comparisons and speed tests. Like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.